I'm just arriving at my garage and today we're gonna be looking into the sled that I just bought. There are a few issues that I would like to fix. The first issue is bogging. And bogging means that when I put some weight on the sled, for some reason it's not accelerating. So something's wrong there, but I haven't figured out what it is yet. Another thing I'm gonna look into are the brakes. I actually have no idea how even a motor sled brakes. Does it have discs in there or what? I'm gonna look into it. And lastly, I'm gonna find out what kind of basic maintenance should you do on motor sleds. And because I have no experience with this, I'm gonna start by researching. So after watching YouTube for a while, I think the bogging issues are caused by a dirty carburetor. But the first problem is that I'm not even sure where a carburetor is. So when I'm looking at this mess, it's all a big mystery to me. If I press the gas, I see some movement there. So my best guess now is that this is the part I need to clean and this as well. So I'm just gonna start ripping stuff out and hopefully I'm not gonna mess anything up. So after watching YouTube for a while to get my confidence back, I've decided that the best action for me would be to take this off before I can actually get these off. From the videos I would guess that this is an airbox. I have no idea how the airbox works, but if I would have to guess, the air would come in here, that this is the intake, then the air went there, and then the air mixes here with the gasoline. But I'm gonna start by getting this airbox off. And it seems like I would have to get pretty much half of this vehicle disassembled to actually get the airbox out. I'm starting to think that to get this off so I can get to the airbox, I might have to take the whole steering wheel off. Because I'm not seeing any way of getting this off unless I get the steering wheel off. I hope that that's not too difficult. I might just try these holes first. Okay, that seems to be holding it on still. I still need to figure out how to get this off. Okay, so I've decided that I need to take this off of here so I can take this off, so I can take the air box off, so I can actually get to the parts I'm interested about. So I'm gonna just try to take this whole thing off by turning these, and I hope that I don't need to take anything else off so I can turn these. Let's give it a shot. Well, that was harder than expected. I took all of these parts off and the steering just so I could see here. The airbox is a bit dirty, but it doesn't look that bad. Or what do I know?
One eternity later.
It's another beautiful day, and today I'm gonna be attempting to take these bad boys off so I could actually clean them. Taking the top of the air filter was pretty frustrating, and it took a lot of work to get these off, but now I'm finally able to get my hands on these bad boys. if you look at these wires, this one is now shorter than this one. So I think I dropped something in the engine space somewhere there, but I just can't seem to find it, so I bought myself a little helping hand. Now when I press a button, I get this tiny little claw. So I'm gonna try and find that piece from somewhere there. Next, I would like to find the part that filters the gasoline. So yeah, I think the filter is right there, so I'm gonna start taking things apart and hopefully I find the filter there. What? I cleaned the airbox a little so it wouldn't be as dirty, but I didn't get it super clean. But I'm just starting to wonder that what is the actual reason for the bugging? Because I'm pretty sure it's not the carbs, it's not the fuel filter. I'm pretty sure it's not this, because this looks pretty new and it seems like it's in good condition. But the fuel pump there, that's pretty close. It looks pretty new, but it's in hand's reach, so maybe I should inspect it. I have actually no idea what's inside this gas pump, but let's open it up and see what's inside. Well, at this part when I'm not quite sure what I'm even doing, I'm gonna just try to reassemble it, and then I'm just hoping that it actually starts, because that's not actually granted. So let's try to put the carb back in, and I'm not even sure that I even put the fuel pump like it originally was. But I guess we'll figure it out. Oh yeah, and before I forget, even though I found this part, and then I found this one as well, but I'm still missing the spring. So I'm gonna try to find the spring first before I put some more stuff here in the way. to. Yes!
One eternity later.